welcome back to my channel. I know in today's video I am doing a wig review. Another company reached out, Miss Sunlight store, a 28-inch wig. This is a two-part wig, you guys. This is the wig. This is body wave hair. 28 inches. They claim it to be T-part wig. Pretty good. As far as the parts, it has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps, of course. And yeah, like I said, it's a T-part wig. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna wear it in the middle or switch it over. Yeah. Right now, oh yeah, I am getting some shedding. I'll try to give you guys my honest opinion. I'm always gonna get shedding, don't get me wrong, but we're really gonna tell the real outcome once I dye it. And I'm gonna show you guys what dye and everything that I'm going to use for this wig. A regular dye, and I'm going to use the Dark and Lovely dye, Berry Burgundy. I'm gonna give that a try. I don't try burgundy before, but dyed a wig that color. So I got 2 of these. I did get some powder because I did get another color, a rinse. So you guys, where you see the highlights there, or I just made the 2 of the little streaks, where you see the light, the number 27, I was thinking about adding the intense red, just having burgundy and red. Like, that's my vision, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see how it comes out. And I never did it just with a wig with just this type of dye, but we're gonna try this. It's just a test, and if it fails, I will still post this video. And we're gonna see how it comes out. So before we get into the dyeing, I just want to show you guys again how the wig looks before. So you guys, I already had did the other side. I just split it up into 2 different parts. Right now you see me just dyeing the perimeter, the outside of the sectional hair. And you guys, I did add the Adore Me rinse just to stretch it a little bit, because I still felt like I didn't have enough dye, because how it went on the other side, I was like, oh no, I gotta stretch it. So I ended up adding that, just, you know, just to make it a little bit more. So yeah, and it's kind of self-explanatory on how I am doing it. And yeah, so once you see me do the outside part, I am going to go in and part it. I didn't record a lot of that, but like if you want a more in-depth video, I will. Just let me know in the comment section. But yeah, I'm just gonna let this one run, and I may come back if I feel I need to come back and tell you guys something else.
Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga.
Guys, I did let it sit for about an hour, probably a little bit over an hour, about an hour and 30 minutes. So yeah, so it can just really turn. As you guys can see, it did turn very, very well, but I did get a lot of shedding as I combed it out. This is the hair, how it looks. This is how it looks, like kind of damp. And yeah, and I'm really, really liking this color, y'all. It's amazing. It's gorgeous. I love this color. So guys, I'm just gonna let this video play on out. Basically, I'm just installing the wig. I did add flexi rods, and I did let them sit a whole 24 hours, and you guys will see how it came out at the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low.